Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling Ling Zap Siu, here to talk about desserts, especially 冰品 iced desserts. 在台湾的很多人都喜欢吃跟冰有关系的甜点，对不对？比如说我的最爱这个豆花 It's the soybean jelly. It's one of the best things here in Taiwan. 我要来一碗冰的花生豆花。
來一碗。
來一碗。
餅雞。
餅雞 Oh, that's iced.
粉條豆腐花。
粉條就是花生，對不對？ Yeah, you gotta add peanuts to this soybean jelly. It's really delicious. That's 粉條。那為什麼又有豆腐花？
豆花啦。
哦，因為它也是豆。豆腐花 that is the soybean jelly because it's actually made from soybean. Okay.
那花生海陸腔。
Oh, okay.
不一樣哦。
All right, different dialect for peanuts.
剃頭。
剃頭啊。剃頭。
剃頭。
剃頭 Okay, that is 海陸。
剃頭豆腐花。
剃頭豆腐花。
然後一個是粉條豆腐花。
粉條豆腐花 Okay, there you go. That's 花生豆花 in different dialects. 還有一個東西台灣也很特別，就是愛玉。Okay, this is actually a kind of jelly. It's called a jelly fig. Usually it's mixed in with lemon. 常常呢都是檸檬跟愛玉會配在一起嘛，對不對？所以我要來，又要請你了，來2杯愛玉好了。
好，來2杯。
來2杯。
歐油餅。
歐油餅。歐油餅就是愛玉冰哦。
對。
Okay, that is the jelly fig ice. Oh, and here's another one that's one of my favorite. 怎么办？这些都是我很喜欢的一些冰品哦。就是仙草冰。You know, there's a type of jelly here in Taiwan. It's black in color. It's called the grass jelly. 很退火，你知道吗？
降火气。
对，降火气。因为你知道我嘴唇很红，上火，所以要降火气。OK， 我喜欢仙草冰。
艾蒿仙草餅。
艾蒿仙草餅。
對。
Okay, that's grass jelly. 仙草呢，其实有另外一个煮法。烧仙草对 When it comes to wintertime, the grass jelly can also be prepared hot, and they will put all sorts of other things in it, like peanuts and red beans and whatnot. Okay, 所以有可能的是喜欢吃烧仙草的 hot grass jelly.
艾蒿小仙草。
艾蒿小仙草 Okay, 小仙草 that's the hot grass jelly. There you go, some of these desserts that are here in Taiwan. Now you can order in Hakka. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼泰嘎？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.